and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making a vegan pasta salad, but before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So I've already prepped everything here today because sometimes that gets boring, me just cutting vegetables and measuring things out and that kind of stuff, and I feel like a lot of the times it gets redundant and I just fast forward myself. So if you guys want to see me do that kind of thing, just let me know in the comment section below, but I kind of skipped that today. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is get some water boiling, which we should be boiling by now because that's the longest part. So all you're going to need for this recipe for your dressing is some extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, oregano, and garlic. That's literally it. And then for the salad, you can use whatever pasta you want. I used the little bows today. Now, unless you're using a really fresh pasta or something, or like a raw pasta or something you get in the refrigerator aisle that it might have egg in it. So that's the only way that it wouldn't be vegan, but otherwise this recipe is completely vegan. Then for the actual salad itself, you can do whatever you want. I kind of added some things into my salad, but you're going to want to use some chickpeas, some broccoli, some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some onion, and some carrots with a little bit of parsley. Now feel free to add more or omit certain ingredients if you don't like them, or if you want peppers, or if you don't want onions, to whatever it is that you guys want. It's all going to taste delicious. But I'm just going to go ahead and add my pasta to our water and get that nice and cooked and cooled and everything, and then I'll meet you guys back here and we're going to mix everything together. Okay, the timer for our pasta. We're looking good, so I'm just going to go ahead and strain this and just let that cool for a little bit, and then we're going to mix everything together. Okay, so our pasta is done, everything's cooled, we're all ready to go over here. So I'm just going to do the dressing really quick just to get this stuff out of the way. So I always just do it in a measuring cup just because it's easier and I can pour it right out. So you're just going to want to do a 1/4 cup of your olive oil and a 1/4 cup of your red wine vinegar. Then obviously you're just going to fill this up to the 1/2 mark. And then I already have my salt, pepper, and oregano in here ready to go. Okay. And then we're going to add in our garlic. We're just going to take our mini whisk. Just whisk that on up. Should have something that looks like this. Now I like to emulsify this just once more before I add it to the salad later, but I'm just going to set this aside. Alright, so we have our bowl here. Now we're going to add in our pasta. Okay. Change my mind. I'm going to switch this over to a big boy bowl, just because I like to mix everything in a big bowl first, just so I make sure I don't get everything all over the place, because I always do that. So we have our pasta in here. Now, it doesn't matter how you add in the rest of your ingredients, so you're just going to literally add them all in together, because we're just going to mix everything up anyways. So we have our chickpeas. Then I already pre-cut these. I just sliced them in half and then put them back in the container. If I can get this open. And just cut them right in half. You can do whatever it is that you guys want. We have our carrots. We have our onion. Then our cucumber and our broccoli. Alright, and last but not least, you're going to want to add your parsley. Okay, so you guys should have something that looks like this. You have your pasta, you have your carrots, your tomatoes, your cucumbers, your parsley, your chickpeas, your broccoli, your onions, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead, mix this up again, drizzle it all on top, and then we're gonna put it in my other bowl just because it's a little bit nicer. And then we're going to try some. Alright guys, so I didn't want to dirty another bowl. So, look how good. I can't wait to try this. This looks so good. It smells amazing. Now it's time for my favorite part, to try some. Let's see. Some pasta. Oh. Chickpea. Oh, so good, you guys. I'm going to have to just put this down so I can finish this video, otherwise I'll finish this whole bowl. That was so good, you guys. It was super simple to make. All you need to do is pretty much boil some pasta and add in your veggies. Such a good, quick and easy way to add in a bunch of veggies into your diet and into a meal. So excited for you guys to try this one at home. Super delicious. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.